Okay, so welcome back once again. We will directly continue with our eighth, the analyze tab or sheet. Here we also have some interesting things that can help you in analyzing your data. So the first thing we have is a quick data analysis. It is pretty much easy. What I will do here, I'll select these data. Once I click, I will get here a button or a menu, which is also possible to do it with Control Q. I'll just click here and I will do the data bars. See, it will show the highest number with more bars, the lowest number with low bars. It also helps us in analyzing our data. I can clear this as well. If I click here, again I will have cleared the format. Again I will click here, I will select the color scale. The one with the green shows the highest number, the one with the red shows the lower numbers. So this way we can also do the quick analysis of the data. Down we have another table. We can also select the table. Once again I can either click here, or this way I will use Control Q. So I'll get this. I can select the chart easily. I want the clustered column chart. So just click it, you will get your chart here. The further changes in the chart, how we can make it more visible, more clearer, this we will discuss it on the insert menu, where we are bringing new videos. So we will format this, we will create new charts, we will do lots of things with that will be added in new videos. So here, if you see, I have series in these data. What I can do, I can delete this. What I will do here, I will select with the category. After this I can put a chart to have all the data correct. So you can see here the amount spent on breads, the amount on desserts, on sandwiches. All the data is now clearly visible, and the color shows the October as this color, and November is this color, and the gray color is December. So it's easily achievable to get some charts created. Also, what we can do here, to add the sparklines, it's also easy, pretty much easy. You will just click here. To be quick, I will use the Control Q. I'll get this. So this time you will select the sparklines. If I select the sparklines, see, it will show which one is decreasing and which one is increasing. Like in this case you can see it's increasing, and in this case it's decreasing. So it's also possible to add the sparklines beside your data. It will show it in lines. Next step is, if I click next step, I will come to the charts. So to create charts, one way easier is that I will select the data. I will go to the insert menu. I will select the recommended chart. It will recommend me the chart. I have the line. If I need line, I'll select this. I have another type which is called clustered column. I can select this as well. Also I have another type, the scatter diagram or the scatter chart. I can select this one as well. Similarly, I can select the pie chart as well. So different types of charts are available. You can select any one of them. In this case, I will select the clustered column and I will click OK. See, the chart is created, and we can benefit in our presentations if we need. And it will also show either it's growing or it's coming down. And also, this is one of the lessons that we will study in the future. We can format it, and it can be studied in the insert tab, where we will add the data. Coming down, we have the axes, and the axes we can have the horizontal and the vertical. Both of them are available. The X is the horizontal one, and Y is the vertical one. So here are the axes that you can see in the table, or let's say in the chart. Also the secondary access, we can add secondary access. If we are putting two type of data, we can use the secondary and the primary, which is part of the discussion that we will have here in the insert and the chart part. We will discuss it. This will be available there. So this is it. Coming to the next step, which is the pivot table. This is also one of the very important feature of Microsoft Excel, through which we can analyze the data, through which we can summarize the data easily, and we can be so quick in analyzing the data. Here you can see I have data of different dates from different salesperson and different products and the different amounts. How I can do this easily to find out that how much I have sold the beer, how much I have sold the soda and wine. So these kind of analysis on any type of the data, because example here is the beer and the wine, while in it can be applicable in normal life with any type. To do this, I have some data here. What I will do here, I will just click and then I'll come to insert and pivot table. I'll click OK. So here I'm getting a new menu which includes many things. What I will do, if I'm doing it based on the product, I'll bring product here into the row, and the amount, I'll just click it, I'll add the amount here. So I will get the amount, sum of the amount, and the amount from each of the categories. This is one way. Also I can add the dates. If I add the dates, it will give me the dates as well, from May, June, July. Every category will have its own details. Also I can remove the dates if I don't need dates. I need per salesperson. I will just select salesperson. So here you can see Annie has the highest sales, then the second highest is Maria and Mark, and this kind of the data, the summary, we can get it easily from the pivot table. Not only this, it's possible to do the analysis of data in million rows, so it helps a lot. And the pivot table is one of the most important tool from Microsoft Excel that helps in the data, and we can quickly analyze the data and get the summary of that. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon in other videos. Thank you so much.